There was a time when tablets were just bigger phones, suitable for reading, maybe video calls, but rarely essential. Then came the COVID-19 pandemic, and with it came online classes, hybrid work, and suddenly tablets had purpose once again. But in a rush for features, something got lost, which is affordability. Enter the Oppo Pad SE, a tablet that promises the basics done right without blowing up your budget. With a launch price of just Rs 13,999, can it deliver where it counts? Let's find out. The Oppo Pad SE doesn't chase premium looks but gets the job done. The back is smooth matte plastic with subtle curves, and the slim bezels around the screen keep things modern without being flashy. At 6.9 mm thickness and about 478 grams, it's easy to carry, especially for students or casual users on the go. With that, you get an 11-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate and brightness, which offers decent outdoor visibility. Whether you are scrolling through PDFs, watching a lecture, or just binging your favorite show, the display is crisp enough for everyday tasks. It's not AMOLED, but at this price, the display holds its own. Under the hood, the Oppo Pad SE is powered by the MediaTek G100 processor. It's not meant for heavy-duty gaming or pro-level multitasking, but for everyday apps like Chrome, YouTube, Zoom, and even light gaming, it performs without any noticeable hiccups. You get up to 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage, which can be expanded using a microSD card. The tablet runs the ColorOS 15 skin, which is based on Android 15. The UI is clean, responsive, and comes with productivity-focused features like split screen, floating windows, and even a kids mode. No bloatware overload either, which helps it offer a pleasant experience. Let's keep it real. A 5MP cameras on the front and back won't win photography awards. But for video calls, online classes, and quick document scans, they are functional enough. The rear camera can even shoot HD videos at 30 FPS, and the front unit works well for Google Meet and Teams meetings. The Oppo Pad SE packs a 9340 mAh battery that supports 33 watts of fast charging. With moderate usage, you are looking at more than 2 days of battery life, and if you enable the advanced smart power saving mode, Oppo claims that the tablet can remain in standby mode for up to 7 days. And yes, it charges via USB Type-C. For connectivity, you get both Wi-Fi and LTE variants with support for 4G SIM cards, so that you don't have to stay tied to a hotspot. This is perfect for students, travelers, or anyone who needs access to the data on the go. The Oppo Pad SE keeps things simple, and sometimes that's precisely what you need. It's built for students, casual users, and anyone looking for a no-frills Android tablet that handles everyday tasks like content, calls, and notes with ease. At a starting price of Rs 13,999, it doesn't try to overachieve, it stays in its lane and drives smoothly. So, what do you think? Does the Oppo Pad SE offer the right balance of price and performance? Would you pick this for everyday tasks or hold out for something more powerful? इस बारे में आपका क्या राय है, हमें कमेंट करके बताइए, और ऐसे ही ऑनेस्ट टेक रिव्यूज़ के लिए चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।